Oukitel just launched a new smartphone, a budget smartphone, the Oukitel C33, with 6.8 inches HD Plus screen, 8GB RAM and 256GB room, 50 megapixels rear camera, and a huge 5150 mAh battery, and a lot more. Let's check it. Thiago here, welcome back or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that something interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, let's start the review of the Oukitel C33 smartphone. Next few minutes I will tell you all about this smartphone, price, specs, everything about it. And in the end, you can decide if it's worth it. With this said, let's start with the price. Starting with the price, the Oukitel C33 has a price tag of £159.99, and if you use the code in the video description, you can have 50% off, together with a £10 coupon on Amazon. For the US, the price tag is around $239. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. The Oukitel C33 looks amazing and does not feel budget at all. On the back, you have faux leather. The leather case is fantastic and feels really nice on your hands. Also, it's fingerprint free. It comes in 3 colors: orange, grey, blue, the one in review. On the back, you have the Oukitel logo on the sides, the 50 megapixels main camera and the sub camera, and the fingerprint scanner. The C33 has round corners and feels great on your hands. On the right edge, you have the volume buttons and the power button. On the left side, the AI button and the SIM/memory tray. On the bottom, you have the headphone jack, the mic hole, a Type-C port, and the speaker. And in the front, at the top, you have the 5 megapixels camera. It has a big screen, 6.8 inches HD Plus display, with a res of 720 by 1600, with an aspect ratio of 20:9 and with 450 nits brightness, great for use outdoors as well. Powering the C33, we have the octa-core Unisoc T606 SoC with 8GB RAM and 256GB room. That can be extended up to 1TB. This allows doing basic tasks like browsing the web or watching TikTok or Shorts very smooth and with minimal lag. Let's see some of the specs next. So like I said, you have the Unisoc T606 SoC octa-core, 8GB RAM with 250GB room that can be extended up to 1TB, 5.8 inches HD Plus display with 450 nits brightness. You have face and fingerprint options to unlock your phone. Android 13. You have a 50 megapixels main camera equipped with the S5KGN1 Samsung sensor and a 5 megapixels front camera. A large battery with 5150 mAh battery, giving you up to 250 hours in standby. 4G dual SIM, 5G Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. And you have also 4-in-1 navigation system with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. Great specs for a budget smartphone. Let's see the cameras more in detail next. So, you have 2 cameras. One is a 50 megapixels rear camera and a 5 megapixels front camera. You have a wide angle, night view mode, filters, LED flash, autofocus, and a professional mode, giving you the option of shooting 360 degrees. With this in mind, please be the judge on the next camera quality tests. This is a video taken with the front camera of the Oukitel C33. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this quality of this camera. So it's not bright today, it's quite cloudy. So this is a video taken from the front camera. I'm gonna do the video taken from the back camera now. So guys, this is a video taken with the back camera. So as you guys can see, it's not sunny, it's cloudy. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I'm using a gimbal, so that's why the footage is not shaky. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the video quality. The photos are quite good in my opinion, but not perfect. With good light, they look pretty good. They have great dynamic range, good contrast, and sharp details. Battery life. The C33 comes with a large battery, 5150 mAh battery, with fast charging and OTG reverse charging. This gives you around 250 hours standby, 25 hours calling, 20 hours of music, 6 hours of watching YouTube and Netflix, and 6 hours of gaming. The C33 comes with Android 13. The navigation is very smooth. Loading pages is not the quickest, but quick enough. Playing games is also nice, with no lag in most of the games. The touchscreen is very sensitive. During my testing, the C33 didn't overheat it. This is a great budget phone. My final opinion. So, for less than £200, the Oukitel C33 packs good capabilities at a budget price. It has a big storage, a large battery of 5150 mAh battery, with fast charging and OTG reverse charging, a 50 megapixels and 5 megapixels camera, and Android 13. Let's also not forget the amazing design. This makes the C33 one of the best in the budget smartphone world. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Oukitel C33. This lovely smartphone here. As you guys can see, maybe not, here we go. This lovely smartphone here. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it all around with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a great time with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.